Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the arrival of the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University Malaysia Perlis. Wawasan Kusong.
Universiti Malaysia Perlis, alam kejuruteraan, ilmu keikhlasan kecemerlangan, wawasan jiwa kita, berdikari rohaniah, berteknologi, pemimpin berdistari, untuk bangsa insan dan umat dunia, negara yang tercinta. Universiti Malaysia Perlis, alam kejuruteraan, ilmu keikhlasan kecemerlangan, wawasan jiwa kita.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good afternoon. Salam ilmu, keikhlasan, kecemerlangan UniMAP and salam Malaysia Madani. The Honorable Professor Dato' Technologies Dr. Zaliman Sauli, Vice Chancellor University Malaysia Perlis, Mr. Tindaro Danze, President and Chief Executive Officer Siemens Malaysia Sdn Bhd, Professor Insinyur Dr. Muhammad Shukri Abdul Majid, Deputy Vice Chancellor Academic and Internationalization UniMAP, Technologist Amiruddin Zahamail, Training Program Director Asian, Siemens Industry Training, Deans, Head of Departments, distinguished guests, lecturers, students, and last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored to welcome all of you to SIEMENS UniMAP Professional Certification Award Ceremony 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate 5 years of partnership between UniMAP and Siemens, a collaboration that began with a letter of intent in August 2019 and has since flourished into a comprehensive academic initiative. This alliance has enriched the Bachelor of Technology program at UniMAP by integrating Siemens certifications into the curriculum, enhancing our students' industry readiness. On behalf of UniMAP, thank you Siemens Malaysia for joining us today as we recognize the hard work of our students and the ongoing partnership with Siemens that supports their success. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to invite the Vice Chancellor of UniMAP, the Honorable Professor Dato' Technologies Dr. Zaliman Sauli, to deliver the welcome address. Please welcome.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Terima kasih saudara pengacara majlis. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good afternoon. Salam ilmu keikhlasan kecemerlangan UniMAP dan salam Malaysia Madani. My good friend Mr. Tindaro Danze, President and Chief Executive Officer Siemens Malaysia Sdn Bhd, Technologist Amiruddin Zahamail, Training Program Director for Asian Siemens Industry Trainings, Professor Dr. Muhammad Shukri Abdul Majid, Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academic and International UniMAPs, Deans, of departments, delegation from Siemens, students, ladies and gentlemen. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us this opportunity to be here at the Siemens Professional Certification Award ceremony for the Bachelor of Technology programs at University Malaysia Perlis. So it is my pleasure, my greatest pleasure to welcome Mr. Tindaro Danze and the delegation from Siemens Malaysia to UniMAP. I believe this morning you already gave a good talk about the technology, etc., about the Siemens. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and thank you for making yourself available, coming all the way from Kuala Lumpur to UniMAP to Perlis. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give one big Ladies and gentlemen, students, so looking back at the history of collaboration between UniMAP and Siemens, it has been 5 fruitful years of great partnership between us. So this we started with the letter of intent signing ceremony back in 2019. So, and followed by the memorandum of agreement signed in 2022. So we have moved to forward to realizing the Bachelor of Technology programs, embedding Siemens professional certifications in this syllabus. So ladies and gentlemen, today 27 students from Bachelor of Technology in Industrial Electronics Automation will receive 4 Siemens certifications, and 37 students from Bachelor of Technology in Electrical System Maintenance will receive 1 Siemens certifications. So in addition of that, 8 UniMAP staff have successfully renewed or obtained Siemens training of trainer certifications, so making them certified Siemens trainers. So Siemens is globally well known to be the leader in the digital factory automation. So without a doubt, certification from Siemens are recognized and sought after worldwide. So for those who having certificates from Siemens, especially staff in UniMAP, is crucial towards realizing the planning in establishing Siemens, UniMAP Siemens Innovation and Resources Training Center in the northern regions. So to all students receiving the certification today, you have made the right decisions. So Siemens certification will certainly add value by equipping you with the essential programmable logic controller or PLC skill and knowledge to excel in their chosen careers. So while also helping to bring skills gap to the industrials and academia. So I believe that the certification giving ceremony pave way towards a brighter future for all of you. So congratulations once again. So ladies and gentlemen, before I end my speech, I would like to personally thank Siemens Malaysia and Berhad for the great partnership throughout these years. So today marks the beginnings of more meaningful engagement and impactful collaboration that will bring our TVET programs to a highly impactful futures, which will ensure our graduates are industry ready. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude to all of UniMAP staff who have been very passionate to give their very best to our students. So thank you very much. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Dato, for the welcoming speech. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to present a special video that showcases the journey, achievement, and impact of this partnership. Please direct your attention to the screen for this video presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for this partnership. Now, we have the honor of hearing from the President and Chief Executive Officer of Siemens Malaysia Sdn Bhd, the respected Mr. Tindarodanze, who has been instrumental in this partnership. Please welcome Mr. Tindarodanze.
Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. So I had a very nice colleague who printed me out all the names because it's very difficult for me to remember. But I want to start, of course, with my friend, the Honorable Professor Dato T.S. Dr. Saliman Sauri, Vice Chancellor of the University of Malaysia, Paris. Professor I.R. Dr. Mot Shukri Abdul Majid, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic and International Legislation in UniMAP. My colleague and friend T.S. Amiruddin Samahail, Training Program Director of Siemens in Malaysia, and all the deans and heads of the department, distinguished guests, all students and colleagues here. Warm welcome to this certification ceremony, and thank you all for being here today. It's a pleasure. Thank you for having me, and special thanks to the lady that put together this nice video. It is really impressive. I think I would like to have a copy of that and bring that back to my communication team and see what we can do as a benchmark there. Very good. A round of applause for the video, please. So it's great to be back with UniMAP, and I'm very grateful to experience it now firsthand right here in Paris, because last time we met actually in KL in this hospital. And I thought it's a good timing and it's a good occasion for me to come out this way. And it's the most northern part I've ever been in Malaysia, and up to now I enjoyed it very much. So thank you very much for that. Siemens is very proud, as you can imagine, to be here in Malaysia, active since 115 years. and we're very proud to be part of the development of the industrial sector. And to my view, and to Siemens' view, it's crucial to not forget that part of the growth stories of Malaysia is the education sector. Everything starts putting the seed actually in the education sector with institutions like UniMAP to nurture the future generation that is coming to the workforce in the years to come. On top of earning your very prestigious degrees here with the university, in that program you also receive a very prestigious Siemens professional certification, which will recognize or is recognized by the Ministry of Higher Education. This certification is a testimony that you have relevant in-demand skills of the industry nowadays. You will have advanced industrial landscape knowledge, and it gives you confidence that you can thrive once you graduate from this university and you hit the labor market. You will be equipped with all instruments, and for those that attended my speech this morning, you're equipped with a surfboard that allows you to actually ride the wave of digital transformation. We are proud that we sponsor about 300 certifications with the UniMAP students. We started about 5 years ago, and I can see that the amount of graduates is doubling almost every year. Last year, I was very happy to congratulate about 37 students, I believe it was. And this year, we are welcoming more than 64 students to that work, and I'm very proud. Give yourself a round of applause for that. Thank you. I believe what makes this program so special, it's a good harmony, a good balance between solid theoretical education, academic education, but also a hand-on experience in the laboratories you have to really see what is happening in the world out there, how you can apply your theory. And from advanced lab settings you have with real-life applications, you're prepared for whatever happens in the future, be it robotics, automation systems, IoT, AI, what have you, and what will come. You have the best education you can get at the state-of-the-art technology before you enter the labor market. And I want to emphasize that it's not only important for your local career development, but the moment you enter into the Malaysian job market, you will be also becoming very relevant globally. You have all the big players here in your regions, in the semiconductor, certainly, but also upcoming in the data center. Malaysia is, and increasingly is so, relevant also on the global market. So what you learn here, doors that are open here to you, are bringing you, if you want so, the whole world to you. Of course, none of this would be possible without the support of the stakeholders within UniMAP, the dedicated faculties, and the educators that you have that are training you are trained, certified trainers by Siemens. We have a trainer concept, so even your teachers are going through a certification process to make sure they have all the knowledge they need to actually pass on to you the education on Siemens products in specific. The hands-on knowledge and experience with Siemens products ensures they are equipped and guided and inspire the next generation of technical professionals. And let me wrap up with extending my gratitude once more to the faculty, but also to you students, because you put in the work. We can provide you the platform, but it's you that put in the work every day and the inspiration you bring every day to build a better future. So thank you very much, and let's celebrate together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jindaro, and please kindly remain on stage. We would also like to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University Malaysia Perlis to join the respected President and CEO of Siemens Malaysia's Berhad in performing the symbolic gesture marking the inauguration of the Siemens Digital Industry Laboratory, a testament to the forward-thinking partnership between Siemens and UniMAP. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, join me in doing this exciting countdown for the symbolic gesture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go! Give a round of applause for this special montage. Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment we have been eagerly awaiting, the Professional Certification Award Ceremony. For the first Siemens Professional Certification Award, I would like to invite all the certified trainers for SIEMENS S7 Programming 1 in the TIA portal. Let's get ready. Okay, please welcome Nur Shazliza Zakaria. Technologist Dr. Izzaidi Ismail. Technologist Dr. Izzaidi Ismail. Technologist Khairul Afendi Rossi. Muhammad Shaiful Aziz Rashid Ali. Technologist Dr. Fazrul Faiz Zakaria. Technologist Ahmad Nasir Cherosli. Technologist Muhammad Hafizi Omar. And Certified Technician Muhammad Nasir Bakar. Congratulations and thank you. Moving on, we will now proceed with Siemens Professional Certification Awards for Faculty of Electronic Engineering and Technology, Bachelor Degree of Technology in Electronic Industrial Automation. The professional certificates are Siemens S7 1500 SIRTC TIA Portal Service and Maintenance Level 1, TIA Serv 1, TIA Serv 2, Siemens SIRTC Schematic TIA Portal WinCC Machine Oriented TIA WCCM, and Siemens SIRTC Totally Integrated Automation in the Digital Enterprise Introduction Compact DI Intro C. I would like to invite Abdul Haziq Muhammad Ramzi. Ahmad Harith Amin Nasir. Ahmad Shahmi Edri Muhammad Syukur. Des Timbong. Fatin Nur Atira Muhammad Sakri. Muhammad Rezwan Ibrahim. Muhammad Hafiz Izzat Muhammad Romzan. Muhammad Adib Haikal Aziz. Muhammad Amirul Haikal Safari. Muhammad Daniel Muhammad Khalil. Muhammad Nur Iman Majri. Nur Christina Romli. Nur Sabrina Izurin Ahmad Fauzi. Nurul Hidayah Hisham. Syahrul Imran Shabudin. Wan Zairi Daniel Wan Zaidi. And Irfan Nur Razik Muhammad Hayruddin. Congratulations and thank you. Next, Siemens Professional Certification Awards for Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Technology, Bachelor Degree of Technology in Electrical System Maintenance. The professional certificate is Siemens S7 1500 SIRTC TIA Plural Service and Maintenance Level 1 TIA Cert 1. I would now like to invite the award recipients from cohort 2020-2021, Aulia Matsaan. Muhammad Anis Aiman Omar. Muhammad Nur Sharfizi Firhan Muhammad Nur Azam. And Nur Shafika Muhammad Shahir. Next, for cohort 2021-2024, please welcome Alif Najmi Abdul Aziz. Alvin Kaja anak Jackson Bara. Anderson Irvin anak Wong. Arif Iskandar Roswadi. Azrul Amri Abdul Wahab. Bava Tarani anak perempuan Bala Subramani. Ilya Marisa Muhammad Azlan. Muhammad Alif Nazri. Muhammad Amir Al-Shakir Muhammad Nasri. Muhammad Faisal Mahadi. Muhammad Hafizi Muhammad Asri. Muhammad Helmi Muhammad Faisal. Muhammad Syahmi Amri Ishaq. Nabil Hilmi Abdul Latif. Nurul Fatihah Osman. And Sinclair Anna Aaron. Congratulations to all award recipients. Ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate this special occasion, we will now proceed with the gift-giving ceremony as a gesture of appreciation between Siemens Malaysia and UniMAP. We would now like to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University Malaysia Perlis, to present a gift as a token of our gratitude to the respected President and CEO of SIEMENS Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad. Please welcome. Thank you, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University Malaysia Perlis and the respected President and CEO of SIEMENS Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad, for graciously presenting the award. Your presence and support have truly made this ceremony memorable. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now hear from one of our UniMAP's accomplished alumni, Mr. Ahmad Shahmi Edri, Document Controller Project, SIEMENS Malaysia, who will share his insights from his own journey. Please welcome Mr. Ahmad Shahmi Edri to the stage.
Assalamualaikum. Hello and good afternoon to our respected guests and the President and Chief Executive Officer of SIEMENS Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad, Mr. Tindaro Danzer, and Training Program Director for Asian Siemens Industry Training, T.S. Amiruddin bin Zahamai, our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Dato' T.S. Dr. Zaliman Sauli, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor I.R. Dr. Muhammad Shukri Abdul Majid, and Dean of the Faculty of Electronic Engineering and Technology at UniMAP, Associate Professor I.R. T.S. Dr. Zaidi bin Hussein, my fellow friends, lecturers, and honor guests. Your presence here today truly honors and inspires us. On behalf of my peers, I thank you for joining us for this momentous occasion, the SIEMENS Professional Certificate Award Ceremony. We are eager to celebrate this milestone together and to reflect on its significance for our future. As we gather in gratitude for this ceremony, I would like to begin by introducing myself. I am Ahmad Shahmi Edri, one of the students representing my fellow colleagues from University Malaysia Perlis. We are the proud student of the Bachelor of Technology in Industrial Electronic Automation program. Many of us began our academic journey in technical and vocational education and training, or we can call it as TVET program, before advancing to this stage. The SIEMENS Professional Certification we receive today is much more than a piece of paper. It represents our commitment to excellent growth and lifelong learning. This certification not only boosts our marketability but also assures potential employees of our readiness to contribute meaningfully to the workforce. In an increasingly competitive job market, qualification like this give us a distinct edge. Graduating with a bachelor degree alone may not suffice in today's dynamic industry. This is where certification like the one SIEMENS offer come to play. Industry-specific qualification validate the technical skills that are essential for meeting the high expectation of our employers. With an initiative like this, TVET students are no longer seen as an alternative. Instead, we are recognized as an essential contributor to the national progress. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to SIEMENS not only for their partnership for this program but also for believing in the potential of TVET students. Your support empowers us to turn our inspiration into reality. Additionally, I thank our dedicated lecturers whose unwavering guidance and encouragement have helped us achieve this success. To my peers, today is not just a celebration of our achievement but a reminder of the responsibility we carry forward. As future professionals, we must continue to uphold the values of hard work, integrity, and innovation. We are the torchbearer of a Malaysia industrial transformation, and the skill we possess today will shape the economy of tomorrow. In conclusion, I extend my sincere thanks to everyone who contributed to making this event possible. To our distinguished guests, your presence motivates us to strive for greater height. To SIEMENS, thank you for being a key driver in our professional development. And to my fellow friends, congratulations. Let us continue to pursue excellence and bring pride to our family, university, and nation. May we all achieve even greater success in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad Shahmi Edri, for the inspiring sharing session. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of this wonderful ceremony. Please rise for the Semangat UniMAP song.
Visi universiti, visi berintegriti, dinamik bangsa berinteraksi. Visi kita semua membina jiwa minda, sama semangat untuk negara. Visi universiti, visi berintegriti, dinamik bangsa berinteraksi. Visi kita semua membina jiwa minda, sama semangat untuk negara. Misi cemerlang, gemilang, terbilang. Misi cemerlang, gemilang, terbilang. UniMAP.
Thank you everyone. We will now proceed with group photo session. So we invite all to come closer to, I guess we're already full. Okay, we can all, the students please come closer to the center of the stage so that we can take a group photo session together for the memory.